Hey, welcome to the Find Natural Hair and Faith YouTube channel. I'm Michelle and I'm sharing a little bit something different today. My favorite Amazon home products. So starting with this organic wool laundry dryer ball set, this is great because it helps to reduce wrinkles and it shortens your dryer time. It comes in a set of 6, and again, these are organic wool dryer balls. I love these guys. The next product that I love from Amazon is this super soft microfiber fuzzy fur throw. It's available in brown and gray, and this throw is the perfect accessory on a cold day when you want to curl up on the couch and just relax. And as you can see, Chloe loves it too. This next product you absolutely have to have. It is a waterproof flameless LED pillar candle with a timer battery. These are not only great for outdoor use, they work well indoors when you're concerned about using fire. It also has a slight flicker like real candles. The next product is the Zero Water Pitcher with Water Quality Meter. This water pitcher tests your water pollutants. It's a 5-stage water filtration system, and it's honestly the best portable water filtration system on the market as far as water pitchers go. I mean, I've tried other brands, and when I tell you, this one is it. You literally can test and filter your water down to 0 pollutants. So what you do is you just take the quality meter and you dip it into your glass of water that has already been filtered. And then you will see like your things filtered out to 0. Now, when I first poured the water in, my filter was at like 0.4 something. I should have shown you that before, but this is actually water that's been filtered for a while. But now, as you can see, it's filtered down to nothing. And this is excellent. Last but not least are these bamboo charcoal air purifying bags. This keeps your closets from getting that really old, nasty smell. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.